In this video, we're doing a first look and first impressions of the Galaxy S21, and let's go ahead and jump right in. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to give you a first look of the Samsung Galaxy S21, and we do have the white version. We're going to share some first impressions, and I want to show you the cool case that I got that I love for this phone. So let's jump right in. So this phone has a really beautiful design, and it's kind of an ode to some of the older Samsung designs. So it still has like that curved edge, which you would have found basically on Galaxy S6 if you've been following the Galaxy line for years. One thing you'll notice is that the SIM tray is now on the bottom of the phone, not the top. No micro SD card slot, so that's kind of getting mixed reviews for the phone. It's got this really nice camera setup on the back, triple camera setup with this nice little plush design. I love the etching. It's a beautiful look, and it really makes the phone stand out. A lot of phones are doing the triple camera setup now, so it's nice to still be able to see this phone, and basically when someone has an S21, you know, because it looks so unique. Still pretty thin to be a 5G phone. One thing you will notice is a lot of the 5G phones coming out are thick and they're heavy just because of the antennas, is what it is. The look of the UI is also upgraded, so nice little bubble for the boxes, and like the notification section just looks very different. So it's always nice to get that refreshed look to see what new take Samsung is going to have on Android. You still have a lot of the fan favorite features like your little side panel here for apps. And I haven't enabled it, but usually when you swipe over, there's another panel that's for People Edge. So this is the app edge, and then you get the People Edge, and you can customize that and have all your favorite shortcuts. So all those favorites are there. You've got your wireless charging built in, a lot of your other fun features like your NFC. It does support DeX, so you can just plug this right into a computer monitor or your TV and use it as a full computer. You just have to buy a few accessories to do that. But guys, I'm enjoying this phone so far. I've had it for almost a week, and it's been great. It's so fast, it's so smooth. One little quirk I will mention is that I don't know if this is a new phone thing or if it's this phone. I haven't had it enough to really be able to make that decision, but the battery definitely wasn't great for the first few days. It definitely seemed to drain really quickly, so I had to turn on the power saving mode, which I don't have on right now, but normally I have the power saving mode on, and that's been helping to stretch the battery life. But the first few days were pretty bad. I felt like, I mean, it was just draining quick. Now, you know, personal opinion, I was thinking, well, you know, Samsung has all these cool optimization features that will help to kind of slow down the apps that you don't use very often. So it usually takes about a week for the phone to really optimize itself and figure out what you use, when you use the phone. So all in all, I think the phone is still in that period where it's still optimizing and learning my usage patterns so that it can stretch the battery the best. So we'll definitely do a follow-up video and kind of give you some more context, but that's just the first couple of days with the phone. Now, this is the case that I got. It's a case by a company called Rinky, and it's not one of those flimsy clear cases. I mean, it's a really strong and durable case. I love clear cases. That's normally all I get from my phones. I love cases that still show off the beauty of the phone, so you can still see this nice white. It looks great. It's not too thick, but it's going to protect it. I always look for clear cases that are shockproof, that can still show off the beauty of the phone. So specifically, this is the Fusion Galaxy S21 clear case. So I'll have a link below in the description for you. You can get that. And I'll also link the accessories for the decks if you're someone who might want to plug up your phone to your computer and use it as a computer. But all in all, guys, loving this phone so far. I'm definitely glad I got it. Coming from the Pixel 5, which was a great phone, great camera. I think my only frustration with that phone is just, you know, it was a mid-range phone. I normally have like really high-end phones, so I was definitely ready to get back to the high-end Samsung phones with the high-end specs and just all the bells and whistles. One last thing I do want to call out that I really like. So the Pixel 5 and most Pixel phones are always known for the camera. Now, this camera has been great. It's definitely given my Pixel 5 a run for its money. Specifically, I love the portrait mode setting, which is when you can take a picture of something and then it blurs the background out. Now, one of the things with, like, a lot of phones are adding this feature because it's just a popular feature, but the problem is not a lot of phones have it live, where you can actually see what the blur effect will look like before you take the picture. And that's one of the things I love about this phone. Now, this isn't new. Samsung has had this on their older model phones, but it's getting better. And so just to see how far this feature has come, I mean, it's awesome. It's getting better and better where you can actually see how it's gonna blur out that picture before it takes it. And you can even adjust your subject or adjust your angle to make sure you get the best blurred effect. So definitely wanted to call that out. Kudos to Samsung. So far, I'm loving the phone. There are mixed reviews about this phone online, but I love it. I love the price, and I think so far it's been a home run. So more to come in our follow-up video, but wanted to share our initial impressions from the first week. So hope you guys found that helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Do me a favor, drop a comment down below and let me know if you're thinking about getting this phone. I want to hear where you guys are. Are you considering it? And if so, why? Or are you considering one of the higher end models? Let me know in the comment section down below, and catch you there. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and as always, have a good one.